What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today will be my first hockey card pack opening. So yes, today we are going to be opening some packs. And let's start with this one. It has 8 cards in it. And let's get started. Pops off. Now let's get the cards out. A little hard, sorry. There. Alright, let's get started. We've got David Kurtzky. I can't pronounce his name very well. Adam Gaudette. Okay. Shea Theodore. Ryan Marcello. Ooh, look at that. That's nice. Tyler Bertuzzi. Mikhail Sergachev. Zach Aston Reese. And then we've got Mackenzie Blackwood. So that is our first pack. Not so bad. Alright. Now let's get into this pack, the first one, because we have 2 of these. Alright, what's going to be in here? Okay, we've got Ryan Reeves in this pack. Ryan Getzav. Elvis Merzlinks. Adam Larry. Bo Horvat. Nico Hischier. Andrew Burakovsky, and Corey Perry. Alright, that's that pack. Now let's get into this pack. Right over here. Okay, we've got Seth Jones, Joel Eriksson, Michael Sorochev, JT Miller, okay, Garrett Pillen, and Philip Forsberg. Okay. We've got another one of these packs, which is our 4th pack out of 5. Alright. John Gibson. Jacob Chichirin. Nico Hischier. Timo Meier. Oilen Sozens. And wow, we've got Spencer Knight. Okay, and on to our final pack, we've got another one of these. Evgeny Danonov, Jake Allen. Then we've got Tanner Jennett, Quinn Hughes, Braden Chen, Cale Makar, Tyson Berry, and Mylan Lucy. So we didn't get many superstars, but I assume that this card over here is good. Beautiful condition. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video.